Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this Elementor Cloud review, including the resources I used, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Elementor Cloud, a comprehensive website builder review. Elementor Cloud presents a compelling all-in-one website building solution, ideal for users seeking the design flexibility of WordPress, combined with the ease of managed hosting. This platform is perfectly suited for small businesses, freelancers, and agencies desiring a streamlined approach to crafting custom WordPress websites without the technical burden of hosting and maintenance. The key differentiator of Elementor Cloud is its integration of Elementor Pro, a leading WordPress page builder with fully managed Google Cloud hosting. This powerful combination offers users the best of both worlds, complete design autonomy and a secure, hassle-free hosting environment. Leveraging Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop editor, you can create visually appealing, professional websites from the ground up or personalize any of the readily available pre-designed templates. The interface is both user-friendly and robust, providing features such as advanced animations, custom fonts, responsive design settings, and much more. Furthermore, Elementor Cloud incorporates built-in tools for SEO, analytics, and marketing integrations, simplifying the process of optimizing your website's performance and online visibility. The highly optimized hosting environment boasts SSL security, automatic backups, and rapid load times, eliminating the need for you to manage technical aspects like server setup or updates. Everything is handled seamlessly behind the scenes. A notable feature is Elementor Pro's extensive library of widgets and integrations. These allow you to effortlessly incorporate forms, pop-ups, image sliders, e-commerce elements, and a wealth of other functionalities. For online stores, Elementor Cloud's WooCommerce support enables the design of fully functional e-commerce sites with the same level of creative freedom. While Elementor Cloud excels in design flexibility, it's important to acknowledge that advanced WordPress users seeking full server control or developers requiring custom back-end modifications may find its capabilities somewhat restrictive. In summary, Elementor Cloud is an excellent option for those wanting to leverage the power of WordPress and Elementor Pro within a simplified, all-inclusive package. Whether you're developing a blog, a business website, or an online store, Elementor Cloud provides all the necessary tools to create a professional and dynamic online presence. Explore the links in the description to learn more about Elementor Cloud and determine if it aligns with your specific website building objectives. This review aims to assist you in evaluating whether Elementor Cloud is the right fit for your website goals.